Hello friends, I am Moshumi Pal Mujumdar from Bharat. In today's video, I am going to show another tutorial on human eyes. This clip is from another portrait tutorial which I uploaded previously. I will give the link below that you can easily reach the video. I am mentioning colors name used in palette. The colors are vermilion hue, burnt sienna, cobalt blue, Prussian blue, gamboge hue, French ultramarine, viridian hue. If you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe and like, share and please comment. Your one comment will make me more enthusiastic. So you can see I am not using black or brown directly on eyes. Green tone has been used on eyebrows and red-brown tone on eyes. One tip for you, there are no boundaries of colors for any object. You have to go through light fallen on objects. Light makes the difference of color tone. So this is an end. We'll come with another tutorial video. Stay well and bye.